Welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to design a business consulting website using WordPress. This is the part 2 of the video that we made earlier on how to design a business consulting website. So if you are yet to watch the part 1, the link will be in the description of this video for you to watch the part 1 so that you can be able to follow up this particular video. So this is the business consulting website that we are working on. We want to recreate this particular website in our WordPress. Like I said earlier, this particular thing is made possible because we are going to use what we call template. We upload this particular template, then we do what? We customize it to suit our company profile or our client company's profile. So you can change the color of text, typography to suit the company needs. So this is exactly the the website we are working on. So without wasting time, let's proceed. So now, in the previous video, I walked you through on the theme and the plugin that you need for this particular design to work out. So you need a plugin. The plugins that you need, let me just refresh. The plugins that you need is you need Elementor and you need template kit import. So then the theme you need is you come to appearance, then you need the Hello Elementor. That is the theme you need. You need this particular theme, Hello Elementor. So you can go and watch the part 1 of that video to understand every setup. Then you come back and watch this part 2 of the video. So now what we're going to do now is I'm going to delete this particular theme, this particular template that I imported. Then I will import it again for you to see how to import it. Then I will show you where to get this particular template so that you follow up the tutorial. So let me delete this particular template imported. So I will re-import it again to show you. So as you can see, it is processing. So once you click on import, it is processing. Now once you import this particular template, the next thing is you need to install the requirement. Like now they said there are 3 requirements that need to be installed. So you do what? You click on install requirement. Without installing this requirement, you are not going to be able to use this particular template. So you install the requirement needed. It doesn't take time. Then you close. Then once you are done installing this requirement, the next thing you are going to do also is to import the global kit styles. These are the styles and the structure, styles that came with this particular template. So once you click import, then it has been imported, then you are good to go. So now for you to get this particular template, you check the link in the description, then you land on this particular page. So you just click buy with GPay or pay with link. If you are using Apple devices, you get it with your Apple device, Apple Pay. Then if you don't have any of this available, you do what? You add it to cart so that you can be able to get it with your credit card or your debit card. So now once you add it to cart, I have it into, so let me delete one. So once you add it to cart, then the next thing you are going to do is what? You are going to proceed to checkout. So you now proceed to checkout. So once you proceed to checkout, then it lands you on this page. You enter your first name, last name, your email address, then you enter your card details over here. Once you are done entering your card details over here, you click on buy now. Then once you click on buy now, you are going to receive this particular you are going to get this particular template sent to your email, and also you are going to get it downloaded into your device immediately. So once you have downloaded it, then you come over here and do what? You click on upload template kit. So let me just show you. So you can click on this particular one. You click here. So let's let it load. Then so you can click here to import it, or you click here to import it. Then you import it the way I did and do the installation the way I did it. So that is how you are going to be able to get this particular template. So if you have gotten the template so far, You can if you have not gotten the template, you need to watch the video till the end so that you know what you need. Then when you get the template, then you'll be able to now design by yourself without even coming back to the video. So I suggest, whether you get this template or not, watch this video till the end to understand and see how it works. Then you can get the template later. So the next thing is we are going to create our header and footer. That is the first thing we are going to do. So for us to create our website header, you click on Elements Kit. So you click on Element Kit, because this Element Kit will be imported together with this particular template. So you click on Header Footer in Element Kit. So now we already have a header footer, because this is, like I told you, this is a tutorial website. So I'm going to trash it. This is from the previous video that we did. So I'm going to trash it and I will recreate a new one. In your own case, you're not going to see anything here. When you come over here, you're going to see an onboarding screen. Then we are going to use the Elements Kit free version. So you click on Add New Template. Then the name is going to be header. Then type is header, because they have header and footer, so we are creating header. Then entire web condition is entire website. You click on then you click on Save Changes. You can edit it before saving, or you save before editing. So I usually save before editing. Once you have saved, you click on Edit, then you click on Edit Content. So you click on Edit Content. So for us to use Elementor to actually edit this particular content, so we now edit the content. So it is still loading. So once it is loaded, you click on this particular icon over here. Then you click on View Installed Kit. Then you find header. So let's find the header. So you scroll down, you can see header here. You click on Install, Insert Template. So it is importing the header of this particular website. So the header has been imported. So now this place, the menu will appear over here. So for us to get the menu appear over here, click on it. So you now select any menu that you have. So I've already shown you how to create menu in my previous video, but I will also show you how to create menu here. So in your own case, you may come here, you don't have any menu. So anytime once I tell you how to create that menu, once you are done creating the menu, you have to come back to this particular editing and click on this particular select menu to select that menu that you want to appear here. Any menu that you select will appear here. So you have to create the menu and select it to appear here. So once I teach you how to create that menu, you now create it and come back to edit your website header. So if you are following this channel and you are subscribed to this channel, I'm going to make a video on how you can actually create this particular header without importing templates. So stay tuned. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you get notified. So once you are done, you publish. We are done with the website header. Remember that this particular place is where you add your business logo. Then this book an appointment session, make an appointment session. So you can see, so this is being achieved with another appointment plugin. So what you are going to do is, once you add the book appointment plugin, you can link it to this particular page, or this make an appointment can lead to your email. So once you create this particular make an appointment, you can do what? You can click on here, you can add your email link here, so that when people click on it, they can send you email, or they can be directed to your contact page. Or you can use some appointment scheduling platform and add the link to book that appointment here, so that when somebody click on make an appointment, they will do what? They will be directed to that particular place to make an appointment. So anyhow you choose it, you are a developer. I know you are a developer. I know you are a WordPress expert, so you will be able to know what to do over here. So once we are done publishing, now we'll go back so we can create our website footer. Remember, I've not shown you the preview of the website yet because I still have another website that we worked on previously. So now we are going to change it to footer. Then the condition is footer. So entire website is selected here. You click on activate, so you can edit it now. Once you publish it will save, or you save it before editing. Like my own, I prefer saving before editing. So then I will now click on edit, then I will now click on edit content, so for us to create our website footer. So once we are done creating our website footer, then the next thing is to do what? To create the home page, and you are going to see that our website is going to look very, very beautiful. So now the next thing is you click on this particular place. So once you are done, you click on view installed kit. Then once you are done, you look for footer. So let's find the footer of this website. So we find the footer, see it over here. So you click on insert template. So you click on insert template, is loading. So you can see now that the footer has been imported successfully. So you can see it very, very nice. So remember, once you import it, it's time for customization. So this particular place, you do what? This is the email. This is where you change the email. So you can see it. So let's say I put support over here. So let's say I put support. So you can see that it's reflected over here. So you can, then this place, you click on it, you do what? You change the phone number over here. So you change the logo, you add here. Now you will now add the form. So you have to create your subscription form. Then you come over here to activate it. So you can either create it with WP form, or you create it with this particular form that come together with this particular template. So if you want a full video on how to create form, then always check the description to find the video on how to create your subscription form and the contact form. So that is why you need to subscribe to this channel, so that you'll be able to get all those videos and get notification. So you can change your copyright. Then you can add all the pages. This is where you change your address. Then all the pages, useful pages, you add the link. Remember how to add link. Anyone you click, you can see link. You copy the link to that page and paste it here. So once you are done, you click on publish. Then we are done with the header and footer of this particular website. So now let me go to pages before I show you the preview, because I have so I have to delete this particular page, home page, because I have another website in that home page. So I have to recreate a new home page and point the website to home page. So if you watch the part one of this video, you know how to create pages. You know how to create pages and do what I'm trying to do right now. But this is bonus for those of you that didn't watch it, so you will be able to know how to do this. So I'll create this particular page. Then I'll come to reading setting, so that I'll be able to make it my home page. So I'm using this, so I'll choose it to be my home page. Then it's time for us to now preview the website. So I open in new tab. I want us to see what we have done so far. So you can see now, this is the header and this is the footer that we just created. So the home page has not been created yet. So you can see the header here and the footer. So now let's go back now and create the home page, and now you see that the home page will appear. So what we are going to do is come back to all pages. Then you do what? You click on this particular home page, which is the front page. You click on edit. Once you click on edit, then the next thing is to click is edit with Elementor. So once you click edit with Elementor, it will take you to take us to Elementor editing session for us to actually edit this particular template. So Elementor editing session has been loaded. So the next thing we are going to do is, you can see our website header and our website footer successfully. The next thing we are going to do is to click on here, view installed kit. Then we'll find home page. This is the home page, so we click on insert template. Remember that you are going to be able to edit everything, starting from the images and the text, so that it will suit your company's need. Now, the way we used to import this particular home page, when you create the about us page, you do the same thing. When you create the portfolios page, you do the same thing. When you create the pricing page, you do the same thing. Service page, the same thing. Then this themes page, the same thing. This is what you are going to be. This is what you are going to do. You get the point now. So this is what you are going to do. So you import all of them based on their pages. You import all of them based on their pages. So that is what you are going to do, so that all the pages we will do what we imported. So because if I decide to import all the pages in this particular video, this video is going to be too long, and I don't want this video to be too long. So if you have watched to this point, I want you to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to share this video. So now you can see now the home page has been imported. So here now we can edit anything we want. So now here now they wrote start free consulting. You click on it. To change it, you click on it. So you click on it, start free, get a free consulting. So what you are going to do here is, you do what, you now put the link to, or change the text. You change the text, or you put the link to your contact page or your email. You get the point now. So the place that you want them to land whenever they click on this to book consulting. Then for you to change this color now, you come to style. So once you click this button to edit it, you come to style. So once you come to style, then this is the color. This is the button color. So the button background color here is green, so you can change it to anything. You can see it. So now you change the color if you want to change the color. If you want to change this particular progress bar, you do what, you can change the progress bar. Click on this particular first one. It's 5%. You can make it let's say 70%. So you can make it 70%. You will see that it will reflect here. So just wait a little bit, it will reflect there. Then if you want to change the color of that particular box, you do what, you click on the style section. So then you click on bar color. You can see it here now. Background type, you click on the color over here. So it will update. Just give it a little bit time. So we've changed the color now. So the color have been changed. You can see now the color changed. So once it start loading now, it will stop at 70%. So now once you are done, you can change everything here. Just you change everything here. So anything that you want to change, you change it. This particular place, this image, you click on this particular box. Once you click on this particular box over here, you are going to be able to change this particular image. If you want to make it a video, you now do what, this particular icon, you add link to video. So let's just change it. Once you click on this particular box, it will load this place. You come to style. this is the image, then you can change the image. So you can put link to a video. Once you click on this button, you're going to see a place to add link. So once it load, I will show you. So you can change everything. So once you are done changing everything, even the background of this particular place, you just click on it. So my system is having a little bit issues. So once you are done, you do what? You publish. So once you want to change the color, the background color, you click on this particular place, then you come to style. You can see the color here. You can change it to any color. You can change it. As you can see, the color is changing. So you can see the color is changing. Then you can see those things, that color that is in the background. You come to background overlay. That is where they added it. You can change the background overlay image to any image you want. So let's select an image from our media gallery. So let's say I want us to use this particular image as the background overlay. So you get the idea. You can see now the image appeared over there. So you can just play around and change all the images. You can see now, you can see how it appeared over there. So you can customize. I'm just trying to show you that you can customize literally everything. So once you are done, you click on publish. So it will now publish your edit. So I don't want this video to be too long, so you can just go down, scroll down and customize anything. So if you find any error or find any difficulty, you drop in the comment section. I respond to all the comments. You can see it over here. So you can see that you can change everything. So now once we are done, let's check our website. We refresh our website. So let's check our website. You can see that everything that we did reflected. You can see it. So the progress bar is now red 70%. We change the color, so you can actually change everything on this particular website to suit your business. See the background overlay we added over there. So you can change all these things. You can change all these things. If you want to change the animation, you can just, let's assume you want to change this particular animation, this particular box animation. You click on it, click on advanced, then you are going to come to motion effect. That is where you can change all the animation of this particular. So motion effect, animation default, you can change it to drop down. You can see, so you can now add any motion effect over there. So this is how you can be able to get this particular video. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video, you get notified. So I also want to know if you have installed this particular template. So let me know in the comment section. Then also I want to know your view about using templates. So let me know in the comment section also. Now if you need a done for you service or one-on-one consultation, you want me to guide you on how to install other pages on live, so you need one-on-one consultation or website audit, the link to book it will be in the description. So maybe you want a live review or live editing session, I'll help you and guide you on how to do it. Purchase your domain, purchase your hosting, and then install WordPress. The live session link to book it will be in the description. Then if you need the done for you service where I take charge of your website project and finish it for you and deliver it to you, the link to book it is also in the description. So on this note, we are stopping this video here. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share this video for other people to see it also. Please, if you encounter any difficulty, drop it in the comment section. I respond to all the comments. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.